Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of dress pants. Specifically how to tailor them to perfection. Whether you're aiming for a sleek professional look or a chic, casual vibe. Knowing how to tailor your dress pants is key. Let's get started. First up, the basics. You'll need a few essential tools. A measuring tape, pins, tailor's chalk or a fabric marker. A seam ripper, a needle and thread, and of course, your dress pants. Now, let's talk about the key areas for tailoring. The waist is the first point. Measure your natural waistline. If your pants are too loose, the tailor can take them in at the back seam or side seams. Too tight? They might be able to let them out. But it depends on the seam allowance. Next, the seat, also known as the hip area. A good fit here is crucial for comfort and appearance. The tailor will adjust the seat for a smooth, flattering line. Moving down, we have the legs. This is where you can really customize your look. First, consider the rise. The rise is the distance from the crotch seam to the waistband. Adjusting the rise is a more complex alteration. Next, the thighs. If your pants are too tight, a tailor can often let them out. The same goes for the calves. Finally, the hem. This is one of the most common alterations. There are a few hem styles to choose from: the standard hem, the blind hem, and the cuffed hem. The style you choose will depend on the look you're going for and the fabric of your pants. Have your tailor measure from the floor to the desired length while you're wearing the shoes you plan to wear with the pants. Before you head to the tailor, a few tips. Wash or dry clean your pants first. This helps prevent any shrinkage after the alteration. Also, wear the shoes and undergarments you plan to wear with the pants, so the tailor can get the most accurate measurements. And finally, be clear with your tailor about the fit you want. Bring in inspiration photos if you have them. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to tailoring your dress pants. With a little effort, you can achieve a perfect fit that will have you looking and feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and happy tailoring.